Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to move around and look around in Minecraft and the beginner's control guide. So let's get straight into the video. So you might have already watched videos of people doing Minecraft parkour or moving around crazy and stuff. Well, you can actually do it. It's a very simple and easy step-by-step learning experience. If you press W on the keyboard, as you can see, your character starts moving forward. If you press S on the keyboard, then your character starts moving backward. You can use your mouse to go ahead and look around in the game. You can press C if you want to go ahead and zoom in into something, just like that with your vision. You can press double W in order to go ahead and sprint. As you can see, if I'm not sprinting, this is the normal speed, and if I'm sprinting, this is the speed, as you can see, which is definitely faster. You can press spacebar to jump along with your sprint. That is going to make you far more faster. You can press A to go to the left and D to go to the right. You can press E for inventory. You can simply go ahead and open your inventory. Normally survival looks something like that, where you can simply go ahead and do a lot of things. If you want to go ahead and place down blocks, you want to simply go ahead and right click. And then if you want to access your block, so for example, this is a crafting table. So if I want to craft, I need to press right click again. And I can simply go ahead and click and drag my things that I want to simply go ahead and make, for example. And if I want to go ahead and only leave one in there, I need to simply right click just like that. So that is exactly how you can do it. The other thing you can do is simply go ahead and break, which is going to be your left click. And yeah, that is about it when it comes to playing Minecraft and its complete beginner control guide. You can also kill cows and stuff by jumping around and clicking the left click button. And yeah, if you're on the water, so let's just say you're on the water, right? And you're sinking. What do you do to go up? You don't just press W because that doesn't take you out. You want to press spacebar or shift if you want to go underground, right? It's just up and down. So up is space and down is shift, just like that. And you can swim holding spacebar. All right, I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.